Eating grapes every day can have several positive effects on your body, thanks to the various nutrients and antioxidants they contain. Here are some of the potential benefits. Antioxidant protection. Grapes are rich in antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, quercetin, and catechins. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and aging. Heart health. Regular consumption of grapes can promote heart health. The antioxidants and polyphenols in grapes can improve blood vessel function, reduce blood pressure, and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Grapes contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including arthritis and heart disease. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in grapes may help protect against certain types of cancer, particularly those related to the digestive tract. Improved digestion. Grapes are a good source of dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and help prevent constipation. They also contain organic acids that may promote healthy digestion. Weight management. Grapes are a low-calorie and fat-free snack. Incorporating them into your daily diet can help with weight management and healthy snacking. Skin health. The antioxidants in grapes may also have benefits for your skin. They can help protect your skin from UV damage and promote a healthy, youthful complexion. Eye health. Grapes contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health. They may help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Bone health. Grapes contain essential minerals like potassium and calcium, which can contribute to the overall health of your bones. Blood sugar control. Some research suggests that the compounds found in grapes may help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Improved brain function. The antioxidants in grapes, especially resveratrol, may support cognitive function and help protect the brain from age-related cognitive decline. Some research suggests that these compounds could have a positive impact on memory and learning. Hydration. Grapes have a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, as it supports various bodily functions, including digestion and circulation. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Some studies have indicated that regular grape consumption may lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The antioxidants in grapes, along with their fiber content, can help regulate blood sugar levels. Respiratory health. The resveratrol in grapes may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can benefit respiratory health. It may help reduce inflammation in the airways and improve lung function. Natural energy. The natural sugars in grapes provide a quick energy boost, making them an excellent choice for a healthy and natural snack to combat fatigue. Anti-aging properties. The antioxidants in grapes can protect your skin from premature aging caused by free radicals and UV radiation. They can help maintain a youthful appearance by reducing wrinkles and fine lines.